Where to find trading tools for online stock trading? These are from my own experience that will save you 10 to 20 years of learning experience. So let me jump straight away. Number one, very important thing is about securing your trading account. This is the most asked question. What sort of account? Where do I get my trading account? Now, the trading account that you want to secure allows you not just to do live trading. It's not about actually commission. Nowadays, many brokerage firm is actually maybe zero commission. Okay, it's not about able to do live trading, but allows you to do paper trading itself. Also, you want to have a trading platform that's easy to use, very easy to use. Our funding requirements are also quite relaxed and able to get your money in and out quite easily. All these brokerage firm, I personally have used it before. I have no financial interest in it. I want to disclose that they don't pay me commission. Okay, I'm using it as a client and sharing you my own personal experience. So I did a Google check, and these are the top 5 online trading company. Okay, a company like, for example, E-Trade. E-Trade has been around for a long time. A company like a TradeStation, they provide very good software. A company like TD Ameritrade, they specializes on option trading, so it's actually very good. A company like Interactive Brokers, especially use it for futures trading and forex. And the other company for Charles Schwab, all major companies. But there also sometimes restriction from country to country, where certain country does not allow you to use it. But because this is online trading, generally, okay, most countries, they will cover those things. Now the question is, which one should I go for? Okay, now I can only share with you what I personally use, our team has used. Our preference is actually try out with Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is pretty good. TD Ameritrade is pretty good because they have very robust trading platform. Their software allows you to do paper trading. Check it out. And even you don't put money in there. Paper trading means you test it out first. You check out whether actually it is something you can do. Learn how to do it. And if you like it, then you fund your account. And paper trading is a very good tool to allow you to manage your emotions. If you really don't know how to do these things and manage your emotion, then don't put in real money. Don't gamble. As a matter of fact, when our participant comes in, we ask them actually practice for 90 days. Make sure you know how to get in and get out, manage your emotion before you trade live. So whatever way to get started, get a paper trading account. You want to get it started quickly, I suggest you start with TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab. Okay? Or any of the brokerage firm I share in this list, only top 5 of them. Very easy to get their account to get started. And preferably, if you get that particular brokerage firm has a local contact number, like in Singapore, TD Ameritrade has an office around that you want to contact them during trading hours, it's okay. If not, it is still okay because most of the brokerage firm have this chat line that provide chat line support or email support, so that's okay as well. Okay, don't be so particular about it. Just get it started very quickly. If you don't like that brokerage firm, you'll get to know it very quickly and you can change. No big deal. Okay, but before you put in real money, very important thing is to be able to learn how to use a trading platform and be very comfortable about it. If you're not comfortable and don't know what you're doing, don't get in. Okay, trading is a serious business, not something that you can play around the way. So I want to share with you very this important tool because it's the most asked question. The number 1 question people ask, what brokerage firm that we use? Cool. So start with TD Ameritrade, a good brokerage firm. As I said, I do not have any financial, they don't pay me any commission for sharing my own experience with them. Is that good? Okay, that's number 1. Okay, number 2. Second tool, also very important to use, and you don't have to pay for it, is to get pre-market stock prices or even stock prices that you can use it. Now, one of the major websites I use it constantly every day is this website called MarketWatch.com. I will show it on the screen here. Now, MarketWatch.com allows you to actually click and type in with your ticker symbol and tell you what is the current prices during trading hours between 9:30 to 4 p.m. and also pre-market, okay, because the market actually running pre-market prices and even post-market after 4 p.m. Why do you need to know that? You need to know that because it can help you to exit the trade, particularly prices that are before market open can help you to exit the trade. You have that kind of free information. It is very, very important. Okay, very important, so they can plan for a trade. Certain strategy that we use, trading strategy we use, we want to see what are the prices before the market open, so we can make a decision upfront to act on it when the market opens. So Market Watch is a very, very good tool. Market Watch also have a very good analysis of financial data, whether it's quarterly or annually for company. Okay, very, very good data that they report inside the website. And also I find out at times I look at some of the articles they write are also very good quality. Most recently I saw an article on Market Watch that talk about people who earn 400,000 income, household income, which is pretty a lot, right? 400,000 generally. A family that have maybe 2 children, travel, maybe a holiday, couple of weeks a year, childcare, decent company. You know, in US, with all the tax deduction going through, paying for the nanny, paying for all the basic necessities, not really big thing like big lifestyle. You know how much income saving that they get? $34 at the end of the year. 400,000 household income, husband and wife working, at the end it's only $34 a year. I got this thing from Market Watch. I thought it was a very interesting article. Check this thing out. Okay, cool. Okay, so first one I talk about is the trading platform I share with you, potentially 5. Number 2, Market Watch look at news, so look at stock prices. Cool. Okay, the other thing I also want to highlight, the one that I talk about, number 1, about trading platform, not only getting trading account, you also be able to use it for the purpose of charting. There are free charting tool that you can use. So even you want to have option codes that are also there. Charting tool very important, so you can get a visualization how the movement of the stock prices comes in. So the trading platform will allow you to do that. Getting Market Watch on number 2 give you fundamental information. Okay, at times straight away you want to look at prices. That good? Okay, so 2 things. Number 3, very, very important. One of the major factors that affects stock prices movement in the US for companies is their earnings announcement. What I mean by earnings announcement? Public listed companies in US are required by law every quarter, every 3 months, are required to report on their earnings, on their results, whether they make money, lose money, or what. And based on that results, when they report, market reaction will come in. Are they doing better? Are they doing worse? And not necessarily the results that they do better, they make profit, will do well. May not be. Or they lose money, they're going to short stock prices go down. Not necessarily. It is all about managing expectation. If the market analysts find that the earnings is within their expectation, prices go up. If it's not within the expectation, prices goes down. And it's also depending on after the earnings announcement comes out. There is a conference call. When the conference call provide guidance on future event, and the future event looks rosy, everything is bright, okay, prices had a tendency to go up, okay, or will not drop. If there's an outlook that is negative, share prices goes down. So that's how the earnings announcement comes in. Now, where's a website to check this thing? Go to earningswhispers.com. As we show here, earningswhisper.com. You can be able to check out 2 things. Number 1, when does company make earnings announcement? Why do you want to know that? If you are trading, especially options, I highly ask you, don't take the options that you're trading past an earnings announcement. Why? Because you can blow up your option account. Something to do with volatility. Okay, very, very important. Don't do that. Okay? Sometimes you may be lucky going your way. Sometimes the prices that you hold on the option prices on the premium are very expensive, are pricey, but once the past earnings announcement, boom, it goes up. So be careful. If you are trading options, don't pass it to earnings announcement. No. Okay? You are trading stocks and you are buying for long term and you don't care whether it's up or down, you can pass through the earnings announcement. That's okay. different thing altogether. So you want to know when's the earnings announcement to help you to make a decision to get off your trade before the earnings announcement, or make a decision to enter the trade after earnings announcement. For example, you like Apple, write down AAPL ticker symbol, you click, then they tell you exactly when Apple announcement comes in. Now usually Apple announcement comes in 4 times a year. There's a primary earnings season. Primary earnings season means a company that are operating for the first quarter, January to March. That's the first quarter. Earnings announcement come in the following month in April. So which means primary earnings announcement come in April, July, October, and January. Those are the hot earnings announcement. So right now, at the time of my recording, right now is October. This is a hot earnings announcement season. Now that does not mean that other period doesn't have earnings announcement. There still are, just that maybe not so many. Good. So that's one thing. So if you want to find your favorite candidate, they will announce 4 times a year. You can click on to the search button, put in your ticker symbol, and it'll tell you when's the next one. Cool. Now, also, if you want to find a particular day based on the calendar, what are the earnings announcement that's happening during a particular day, like whatever day, right? You click in today, and then the whole list of company will come up. That will tell you earnings announcement comes in. Now, also one more important factor about earnings announcement. Generally, 99%, most of it happen outside trading hours. Trading hours is Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. until 4 p.m. 9:30 a.m. until 4 p.m. Earnings announcement are happening before the market open. Maybe it's like 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. or 8 a.m. before the market open, or happen after 4 p.m. US Eastern Time. Reason why they don't want potentially the company's result to affect during trading hours. But whatever the result comes in, it will flow through during trading hours. That's it, okay? So that's why you will see that in the earnings announcement, there's this thing called BMO, before market open, means before 9:30, or AMC, after market close. So it happens in both of those times. So I share with you 3 very important resources. All traders, all investors need to have these 3 very important for. You definitely need to have a trading tool, right? A chart. You also need to know what stock prices. So a good website is MarketWatch. Look at it. Other website you can check out is Yahoo Finance, but MarketWatch is a very, very good site. EarningsWhispers.com is another good site. You basically don't have to pay for it. It's a free service. The free tool is already very valuable. Is that good? Okay, so I hope you enjoy this short tips about trading tools that you can use it right away. Save you 10 to 20 years of learning experience. Because if you know this upfront, this very important information upfront, especially earnings, and you are trading options, don't pass it through. Okay, don't pass it through. It will hurt you. And you have this all information, it will help you to at least save you from losing a lot of money if you know how to do these things. Is that cool? And if you'd like to check out a lot more, you can subscribe to our YouTube. We definitely continue to share a lot of information with you. And if you're on the Facebook, comment and PM us. Okay? If you'd like more information, share this video and click on to notification if you definitely like to be informed of our future update on these things. So I look forward to see you in our series. Go for it.